Ironman.
Thank you very much. There are a couple of reasons why it's important. First, the reason is you get a fitment warranty. So I've got a 1-year fitment warranty on the products that were installed. Number 2, Ironman's got a number of warranties on their products ranging from 1 year to 5 years. Number 3, which is very important, is the technicians are trained and skilled, so they make use of the correct tools and procedures, and they know how to install the product. Number 4 is you've got a product that's being installed by the correct fitment center, that is installed with a warranty. So at the end of the day, this gives you peace of mind. So you know the product was done correctly, the correct products were used for the installation of the product, and the warranty backup is there. So you won't run into any issues where the people will tell you, listen, this was not warranted due to not being fitted by the fitment center which was accredited. There are numerous Ironman dealers across the country. In the north, it's Direct Auto Parts of Shakati. At the coast, it's Namib Off-Road Centre, Walvish Bay. Central areas is Stephanham, Fobberthorn Mall, Off-Road Centre, and then AFC.
Ironman.
Next week we're going to look at the replacement bull bars, the importance and the benefits of having a bull bar fitted to your vehicle.